Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change alarm sounds on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the clock application first, of course. And here I'm gonna open my clock application, and then this is the alarm page. If you want to change the sound, here you just have to choose the alarm that you want to change the sound set. For example, here I'm gonna set up for this one, and now we'll see this default option. This is the sounds for alarm, yeah guys. You just have to tap on it, and then here for the alarm sounds I use the default one, which is the helium. To change it, you just have to pick and select the options here at the bottom. This is the sounds that provided by device, yeah guys, for alarm. For example, I'm gonna use this platinum one to change it. And to save it, you just have to go back and it will save automatically. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.